In this video, I will show how to apply hair on without hair person. Select lasso tool and randomly select your hair and just okay, and drop the hair on your without hair person. Reduce opacity from better show, and that's okay. Increase opacity and double click to blending option, and here it's gray, but select your red and reduce that, and alt click to more reduce this. Here is then okay. Apply mask and select brush tool and select black color for erase. Then erase your extra part. You can show my screen and always select soft brush. You can reduce your flow and it's okay. Okay, when your selection and adjustment complete, here is you can see the problem. The eyebrow color is black and hair color is brown. Let's select quick selection tool and select eyebrow. Select properly. It's very amazing, very amazing. You can see the extra hair but on here, and you can select that. Select both. When your selection complete, then go to hue situation and check colorize faster. Sorry for that. And select brown color for adjust on your hair. You can white increase, and when that is complete, then you can see before and after. That is complete. Subscribe for more.